withdrawing money from Facebook to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Access your Facebook account. Log into your Facebook account using your credentials. Make sure you are on the correct account that has the funds you wish to withdraw. Step 2. Navigate to Facebook Pay. Go to the Settings menu by clicking on the downward arrow in the top right corner. From there, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Look for the Facebook Pay option in the left sidebar. Step 3. Link your bank account. In the Facebook Pay section, you will see an option to add or manage your payment methods. Click on Add Bank Account and enter your bank details as prompted. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 4. Initiate the withdrawal. Once your bank account is linked, return to the Facebook Pay section. Find the option to withdraw funds and select the amount you wish to transfer to your bank account. Confirm the transaction details before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm and wait for processing. After initiating the withdrawal, you will receive a confirmation message. The processing time may vary, but typically it takes a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank account for the transfer. By following these steps, you can successfully withdraw money from Facebook to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Facebook support for assistance.